Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing habitual delinquency. Who is a habitual delinquent? A person shall be deemed to be habitual delinquent if within a period of 10 years from the date of his release or last conviction of the crimes of serious or less serious physical injuries, robo or robbery, hurto or theft, estafa or falsification, he is found guilty of any of the said crimes a third time or oftener. From the definition na binasa natin, nabanggit na po dyan yung requisites or requirements para masabing may habitual delinquency. Ano nga ba ang mga ito? First, the offender had been convicted of any of the crimes of serious or less serious physical injuries, robbery, theft, estafa, or falsification. Tandaan, yung first crimes dapat ay serious or less serious physical injuries, robbery, theft, estafa, or falsification. Pag ibang crimes ang first crime, automatic po na hindi agad considered habitual delinquent. Second, after that conviction or after serving his sentence, he again committed and within 10 years from his release or first conviction, he was again convicted of any of the said crimes for the second time. Ito yung second crime. Dapat yung second crime niya ay either serious or less serious physical injuries, robbery, theft, estafa, or falsification. Third, after his conviction of or after serving sentence for the second offense, he again committed and within 10 years from his last release or last conviction, he was again convicted of any of the said offenses, the third time or oftener. Ito naman yung third crime. Dapat yung third crime niya ay either serious or less serious physical injuries, robbery, theft, estafa, or falsification. Example, Juan was convicted for serious physical injuries on October 13, 2013. On January 5, 2020, Juan was convicted of the crime of estafa. On June 20, 2023, Juan was convicted of the crime of theft. May habitual delinquency po ba? Ang sagot ay meron. Na-meet ng problem natin yung tatlong elements. Pwede bang maging recidivist at the same time habitual delinquent ang isang akusado? Ang sagot ay pwede. A habitual delinquent is necessarily a recidivist, and in imposing the principal penalty upon him, the aggravating circumstance of recidivism has to be taken into account. However, for the purpose of fixing the additional penalty, recidivism cannot be taken as an aggravating circumstance for the reason it is inherent in habitual delinquency. Sa example natin kanina, since estafa and theft are embraced in the same title ng ating revised penal code, may recidivism po dito. You can check our discussion ng recidivism sa previous uploaded video natin. What is the penalty for habitual delinquency? The culprit shall be sentenced to the penalty provided by law for the last crime of which he be found guilty and to additional penalty. Doon sa example natin kanina, ang penalty ni Juan ay yung penalty ng theft, which is yung last crime niya plus additional penalty. Let's say ang value ng ninakaw niya ay 6,000, so ang penalty niya ay arresto mayor plus additional penalty. Ano naman itong additional penalty? Ang additional penalties ay as follows. Upon third conviction, ang additional penalty niya ay prison correctional in its medium and maximum period. Upon fourth conviction, ang additional penalty niya ay prison mayor in its medium and minimum period. Upon fifth conviction, ang additional penalty niya ay prison mayor in its maximum period to reclusion temporal in its minimum period. So yung arresto mayor madadagdagan ng prison correctional or prison mayor depende kung ilang conviction na. Take note, however, that the penalties must not exceed 30 years. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.